To install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to security and privacy, and after entering it, we'll be able to find more security settings. Now, if we select it, we'll be able to find install unknown apps. And from here, you will need to select an app that will install those unknown apps. For example, we can go for the Google Chrome right here. If you selected that and for example, downloaded app file using Chrome, you'll be able to go to the Google Chrome and then click on those three dots, select the downloads, and then click on a specific app file that you want to install and install it with Google Chrome. If you want to, you can always use any other apps that are available right here, for example My Files. That way you'll be able to install unknown apps using the My Files. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.